What is up, YouTube? First of all, happy Canada Day. Second of all, happy birthday to me. It's my birthday today. Sorry I've been missing in action there for a bit, but I had some issues with the bike. I'll get back to the issue, but do you guys notice anything different about the bike? I'll give you a minute. I'll put in a clip. Joking. So I put in the new front fender. Instead of it being black, now it's actually matching the bike. Let me know what you guys think of the look. Did you guys like it when it was the black with the black hugger, or how it sits now? I prefer it with the blue just because you know, it makes it look complete, right? And plus it's brand new and it's all done. So the issue I was having with the bike was my rear brakes. My rotors were completely done. Same with the pads, they were just done. Like when I go home, I'll send you, or I'll not send you, when I go home I'll put in a clip of the brake rotors and the pads. There was completely no meat left on it whatsoever, just done. And while I was at that, I changed my brake fluid right here. You can actually see it now. Mint, pumps really good. And yeah, like right now it's been, I guess, 2 months since I've rode, and these brakes are, like, you know, functioning really well. Like, I've locked the wheel up a couple of times because I'm used to having no meat on the pads. But yeah, so while I was, like, you know, missing in action and stuff, I wasn't just being lazy. I did a few things. So first of all, I did the front fender there. In order to do the front fender, you have to take the entire front wheel off, take the rotors off, and it's a big mission. At first I was kind of giving up, but I was like, you know what, no, I gotta pull strong. So I finally got that done, and then that was good. And then after that, it was a search to find the right rotors and pads. Like the ones I was about to get before, they were Bike Master, and like when I went to go order them, they were out of stock, so I had to look around more. So now I just went with some Gaffer wave style rotors, and it's nice. I mean, it's not like I've only probably ridden, let's see, I've only ridden about 20 kilometers on it, so I can't really make a statement on it. But for the pads, I went with the EBC organic. EBC, yeah, EBC. But yeah, so other than that, I also actually cleaned my entire helmet, took all the pads out, washed them. And also, if my audio kind of sounds a little bit different, that's because it is different. I upgraded my mic system. I'm not going to tell you with what right now, and there's a surprise, but I'll wait until I make another vlog, and I'll show you guys in there. But actually, I forgot to mention, before I put that on, I ceramic coated it, so that's why it kind of looks shiny. There's a lot of dirt on there right now, but this is the dirtiest you'll see the bike this year. I never got a chance to wash it. But yeah, so now that everything's good, the bike is back up and running, you can expect there to be a lot more videos coming. I have things planned for this summer, so please stay tuned. And this vlog is going to be really short. I just wanted to kind of give you guys an update why I was not posting for a while, and why I was MIA, missing in action. But thank you guys for joining, and have a really good day, and see you in the future vlogs. Thank you guys. So here, let me show you the brakes. Sorry about the big mess in here. So here's a brake rotor. Can you see all the grooves? This is toast, and even in some spots you can see there's lips and indents and weird stuff. See right there, that's where I guess it grabs the most. But I'm not going to chuck this. I'm going to make this into a project, make it into a clock or something like that, hopefully. And now the meaty stuff, the not meaty stuff. This is where the freaking thickness is supposed to be, and it's not. I don't know if you can see in there, but it's supposed to be that thick. Well, I guess, I don't know, right there, it's supposed to be that thick, and there's nothing. It's also grooved. This is the back side, so yeah, oh well.